Let's see how to promote your affiliate links using a simple Instagram comments chatbot. So the idea is to just post any sort of reel or any post and ask people to comment a specific keyword related to that particular product, and from there and then send them a message over there. So let me show how to do that right here. So here I'm in a demo account and we have connected this particular Instagram account right here. So here we have a free template for you to handle all these easily. So let me go to the flow section over here. So in the flow section, choose all free templates. So here we have this comments automation and choose this one. So let's say you want to just share the link. I don't want to collect any sort of details. So here you can also collect their email address before you send the links as well. But let's focus on the basics over here. So let's just send them the link. So here we have this send resource links IG comments template. So what you can do is you can actually duplicate this one over here. So let me actually duplicate this one over here and rename this one and use it as for a different product. So here I have duplicate this one, so let me actually rename this one to a different product template or flow. So let's imagine I want to promote this particular thing, LED flashlight gloves. So this product, so let me open this particular product right here, and what I can do is that I can actually rename this particular flow we just duplicated as this particular product name right here. Continue, and let me actually open this one over here. So here you have the instructions as well. So what you can do is you can actually change the product image, the product title, the short description, and also you can directly add the Amazon link as well. So let me quickly change the image over here. So let's see if we can use this particular image right here. So let me simply copy image address over here, and let me delete this one over here and use insert link and paste that one right here. And as you see, the image is updated. So here you can actually update the title as well. So let me update the title as this one, LED flashlight gloves. And here you can also add other things as well. So let me simply copy this information and paste it over here. Alright, and here you have to add the button over here. So let me say shop now, and here you can replace this particular link with your own affiliate link. For now, let me simply use this particular link right here, and so let me paste that product link over here and click save, and let me click publish over here. So we actually done with one product. So what you can do is you have to actually link this particular message with a comment automation. For that you have to go to auto marketing over here. So in the auto marketing you can choose the Instagram comments automation. So you can actually send this particular product link through the Instagram stories as well when they reply with a specific keyword, but let's do Instagram comments automation for now right here. And here let me create a new comment automation, and let me actually name this one as LED flash light gloves. So you can actually keep track of these things over there. Alright, click continue. So if you're actually planning to promote this LED flashlight gloves through multiple posts or reels, then you can choose all posts. Otherwise you can choose that specific post you want to promote. It's better to choose all posts because it simply works even if you post in the future as well. So it's better to choose all posts, and because we will set a specific keyword for this automation to trigger, so it simply works. So private reply will be this particular flow which is we just created, LED flashlight gloves. So this is the private reply, and here you can add the public comment reply as saying send you the link sent in the DMs. So these are just public comment replies for the comment. So here let's say LED flashlight gloves. So let's say if they comment as gloves, then we want to send them this sort of messages over there, and click save. Alright, we have created this one. So let me activate this one over here, and here let me make sure this published as well, and let's test how this actually looks like. So let me share my phone screen over here and open a random post because we choose all post, and comment here as gloves and see what happens. So I'm just adding a comment right here as glove and see what happens over here. and we received a message right here. And as you can see, it says LED flashlight glows, stocking this sort of details. And if they tap on this button, it will take them directly to Amazon. They can actually check the product, add to cart, and buy as well. So likewise, if you have multiple products, what you can do is you can easily duplicate the particular template or the flow you just created right here and change the product image, title, name. And here in the comments automation, you will create a new comment automation with that specific product name. Promote multiple affiliate product links using Instagram comment to DM automation. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.